So we're gonna play a game.
It sounds like Saw. Oh my god, it's like roulette.
One's gonna be wasabi, isn't it?
Pandan. Oh! Undoubtedly the worst present I've ever gotten for Christmas.
Hello, Professor Rosemary here and welcome to my lab. And today we'll be making chocolate truffle presents filled with an aromatic Pandan ganache. So December, Christmas! And one Pokemon is more Christmassy than Delibird. I mean, it's got the Santa beard and a present sack for a tail, which brings us to today's recipe inspiration. Delibird's signature move, Present, has the user lob an explosive present at the opponent. Every so often though, the present heals the opponent instead. So I thought,
wouldn't that be fun as a food item?
For the healing presents, I thought of a rich green tea ganache filling because green, and then it hit me. I can play with some local flavors, which gave me the idea to use Pandan. As for the bomb presents,
I'm just gonna make my friends suffer.
By the way, this is not proper labware. With that said, let's get making. Here's what you'll need. First things first, chop up your white chocolate for the ganache later. Next, separate and wash each pandan leaf to rid of the dirt and insect bits. Dry them, then snip it down so it blends better. Fun fact, Pandan is also known as Screwpine and is used in a lot of Southeast Asian dishes, sweet and savoury. It's described as having a grassy, coconutty aroma with hints of rose, almond and vanilla. Oh, what's that? Screwpine sounds gross. Well, Screwpine you. For the liquid, you could use regular cream, but I prefer coconut milk, as the flavour of Pandan is usually paired with that of coconuts. Give it a good blend and wrestle, and just look at that colour. All natural. And if your chocolate is vegan, this recipe would be vegan friendly. Next, gently heat the mixture in a saucepan on low heat for about 5 minutes just to let the flavours infuse. Be careful not to burn it. Then strain off the fibrous bits and squeeze out every last bit of that screwpiney goodness. Following that, measure out 100 grams of the coconut milk and reheat it before adding in your chopped chocolate. Stir and combine to make a beautiful ganache, though you may need to enlist the help of a double boiler or a microwave like I did. Now that the ganache is ready, we can get truffling. If you don't have a mold like in this test run, you can pour your ganache into a container lined with plastic wrap, then refrigerating it until firm. After that, simply cut up your ganache into bite-sized pieces and coat it in chocolate. Like so. Oh no. Children, don't make the same mistake I did. After some reading, I found that chocolate chips contain something extra that causes this, but I couldn't find any satisfying explanations. So I got myself a white chocolate bar instead, and the difference is immediately apparent. Upon further study, I found that the key difference between the ingredients and the extra something in chocolate chips is this guy right here. A simple Google search shows that this emulsifier is used to thicken molten chocolate. This is so that chocolate chips retain their distinctive shape even when baked. The more you know. Anyway, my mold arrived after that, so I can show you this other method. Pour your melted chocolate into the mold, leave it for a minute or two, then tip out the chocolate, clean off the edges, and leave the mold to set. This creates a thin wall that will encase our ganache, which goes in next. Top off the truffles with more melted chocolate, leave to set, and you're done. I'm making more truffles on the side, but filling them with wasabi instead for the bomb presents. For the final touch, I'm just painting on some food colouring, then attaching a bowl made of fondant to turn them into presents. And there you have it, Delibird's chocolate truffle presents. Okay guys, thank you for coming together and participating.
Woof! We're in Professor Rosemary's lab! Okay.
So we're gonna play a game.
It sounds like Saw. There's even a video camera.
Okay.
Basically what you're gonna do is just guess the flavour and give your opinion on it.
So we get like random? Are we going to take it at random or something?
It's actually pretty much all the same, pretty much. So yeah, I'll go get it now.
Okay. Wow! It's so cute!
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so feel free.
Oh my god, it's like roulette.
One's gonna be wasabi, isn't it?
It was at this moment that I knew she was a goner. Okay, so we can just take a bite out of it on food. Yeah, so you guys have gotten started.
Oh, you can eat it and make chocolate.
Yeah, I mean, come on, man.
Okay, then 1, 2, 3.
I have
Pandan.
Oh!
Wasabi, let's go!
Yeah, oh my god.
Oh my god, it really is wasabi.
I told you.
Are you serious?
It went straight to my nose.
So this is what your video has become, huh?
I'm never coming to your house again.
I've seen one too many react videos to know where that was going.
You know, there was actually supposed to be more, and then there would be enough to do around 2 of this, but
Excellent.
so there was only one left.
Excellent.
One viable one.
Undoubtedly the worst present I've ever gotten for Christmas.
For like burning off one of your taste buds and for putting others at risk. This is for you guys and your family. Am I forgiven now?
Are there any scary ones?
Redemption.
The good question was, is there any wasabi ones in here?
Yeah,
that was the only
you
one.
may not be invited to my house if there's responsibility.
So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you can try this out. Leave your suggestions in the comments and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
I'll bring my dog just so it can see in your house.
Oh, that is so mean.
I'll clean
Cut that out.
Cut this out, cut this out.